My name is Helen Lemieux. I am the lead medical lab instructor here at Anderson College of Hamilton. I'm also the regional program lead for the MLAT program here in Southwest Ontario. I'm a medical laboratory technologist who has 36 years of working experience in the field. My specialties are hematology, transfusion medicine, special coagulation, which are all courses that we teach here. I've been working in the hospital setting, and I retired in 2019 from the field and joined Anderson College in 2020 as an instructor. And from then they offered me the lead position, and I love this program. I actually took this program in the early 80s and am a certified lab technician as well. We are a accredited program through Equal Canada. We worked very hard to be a program that's accredited, which is recognized at every employer in Ontario and Canada. It's a big feat. It's a program which includes didactic learning of all the courses that we take. We teach our students how to take blood. We teach our students how to do ECGs. We teach them a little bit about every discipline in the laboratory, chemistry, microbiology, histology, hematology, and transfusion medicine. And we teach them how to do computers and how to do accessing of patient results and how to speak to patients as if they were family members. It's a very intense program. It's very fast-paced. Every module goes into the next one. It's a very modular program, but it flows nicely. So the program here in Hamilton it's in person. Everything is done in person. There's no virtual. We do use D2L, which is the Desire to Learn program on the computer systems. But, you know, everything's hands-on. We teach them some theory, and then we go into lab. There are two certification exams that we would like them to write when they finish the program. One is the Ontario exam, the MLPAO, which is the Medical Lab Professional Association of Ontario exam. And the other one is the CSMLS, which is the Canadian Society of Laboratory and Medical Science. And that's a Canada-wide exam. And with those two certifications, they can work anywhere. The benefits of having both the MLPAO certification and the CSMLS certification, the hospitals will not hire you without at least the MLPAO, the MLPAO. They want you to be certified because it shows that you've got the initiative to want to move up. Some of the private labs don't worry about that. But of course, when you're certified, there's a monetary association as well with it. You can make more money. If you're certified, you can work on the bench with a technologist, someone like me. So as a technician, you're going to be taking blood, you're going to be doing everything that we call pre-analytical, which is everything that happens to a sample from the time you greet your patient to the time you send the blood off to a technologist for testing. Once you're certified, you can actually sit beside a technologist, do instrumentation, run quality control. You can work in a place like Maple Leaf Foods doing their bacteria testing. You can work in a pharmacy. You can work, in a genetics laboratory. You can work in an infertility clinic. So there's a lot more doors are open to you when you're certified in both. But if you're somebody who's trying to better your life, who wants to do something that takes less than a year, that is interested in helping people, that thinks that, you can learn quickly and you can learn by hands-on, and you like working with your hands and you like the healthcare field, this is a great program for you. I'm very proud of the program here at Anderson. I'm very proud of our students that graduate from our program, and the feedback that I get from placement sites is wonderful. They love our Anderson students. So, if you're going to come to Anderson, this is a fantastic program for you to start at. And we've got instructors who are certified in everything that we want you to be certified in, because we can't sell it to you if we don't do it. And we have two technologists on board who are both certified at CMLTO as well, which is the College of Medical Lab Technologists of Ontario. And the classes are smaller. There's only, 20 people in a class. So there's a lot more intimacy, a lot more one-on-one hands-on help. And we find our students are more successful, especially students who are a little bit shy or may have a language barrier. We help you with that as well. Anybody can take this program who's willing to learn. We have students from high school who take the program. We have students who are 50 who take the program as second careers. We teach you everything you need to know to be successful. If you don't have a science or a math background, that's not going to be detrimental to you, because we will teach you the math and the science that you need to know. That is part of our program.